So overall for the year, guys, I'm up 90% so far. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again. And in today's video, we are going to talk about the trade that I've shared with everybody for free in my Telegram channel yesterday. I hope you're inside. I hope you could bang on that trade as well. And yeah, if you're not inside yet, make sure to check the links down below in the description. And if you need any help, if you're a struggling trader, if you need advice from a profitable trader with more than a decade of experience, then you have the chance to drop me a private message in Telegram as well. You will find the link down below in the description. Just have some patience with me. I have a private life as well. I'm not going to answer you always on time, so you need to have a little bit of patience, but it will be worth it. And please only use the links in the description, okay? Don't fall for anything in the comment section. Be careful. So, that being said, guys, yesterday I made 28,000, 2.8%. Had a lovely trade, took profits at the first easiest target. I could have made a lot more money on that one because it was going down a little bit more than that. But I'm not the most patient trader and I like to take my profits, and this is what makes me consistent overall. My trading style is like that. So overall for the year, guys, I'm up 90% so far, which is amazing. We're talking about 4 months, 90%. That's pretty good. That's more than 20% per month, 22.5% per month. Yeah, it's an amazing result, guys. I'm really happy with it. I'm not spending that much time in front of the charts, and I'm making 90% profits. So show me somebody else who can do it like that on a consistent basis, man. There are not that much guys out there. All right, so let's get into the charts, guys. This video is sponsored by AAAFX, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description if you're looking for a regulated broker. AAAFX is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they make an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description. Let's start on the daily time frame. What we had in here, guys, so this was yesterday's movement. This is where we took the sell in here, somewhere in this area. And why I thought that this thing was going down, guys. So overall last week we had bearish movement. Market was coming down, kind of in a consolidating structure. So I expected the market to get below this low in here. I knew there are a lot of orders sitting. We had an imbalance in here as well when the market was moving so fast. It never came back to fill this imbalance in here between this high and this low. So I expected the market to get below this low, tap into that zone before showing us reversal sign, and this is exactly what was happening. This is what I saw on the daily time frame, and it was exactly moving like that. So yeah, let's get into the lower time frames. Let me show you what was happening in here. So as you can see on 9:30, guys, New York Stock Exchange opening, we had some structure. Yeah, I mean the market was pretty much ranging during London, came down a little bit, was ranging a little bit. We built up this equal lows in here, and yeah, it was pretty clear that this is about to go down. So I was a little bit late with my trade in here. I was not on time. I could have easily got into this trade somewhere in this area here, because we had this beautiful build-up liquidity in here, a lot of orders sitting down below this one. And yeah, as you can see, market was coming down. We had this beautiful equal lows. Market was rejecting a little bit, and then it was going down pretty aggressive. And when we saw that, and we still had this significant low in here, as I told you guys, we have this significant low in here from the 12th April. We had a significant low in here, and this was one of my main targets, this area here. This was my first easiest target that I saw. I mean, the market came down a lot deeper into that zone. Could have been a much bigger trade, but I'm not the most patient guy, so I like to take profits, as you all know. So anyways, let's see what was happening in here. 5-minute chart. Yeah, so market broke this equal lows, and on the pullback to that zone, I decided to step into the game, put my stop above this high. Didn't want to see the market come above. My trade would have been invalid if the market would have slashed to this high in here and wanted to move higher. I just wanted to see this thing going down, hit the significant low, hit big figure number 12,800, somewhere in here in this area. This was my main target. We are talking about a 2.2, 2.4 to 1 risk reward ratio with that trade. Yeah, I took 80% off the table somewhere in this area in here, and I tried to let the rest of my position, the other 20% of my position size, run a little bit further. I think I took the rest of the table somewhere in here. Overall, yeah, like I said, guys, we made 28,000 on that trade. Could have been easily like 50 grand or something like that if I would hold it a little bit longer, if I would have let myself stopped out a little bit further. But yeah, it is how it is. I like to take profits, guys. You should take profits as well. At least, like, if you want to catch big runs, guys, we've talked about that in some of the last videos. If you feel like you're missing out on a big move, guys, just make sure to leave a little bit of your position in the game, but close the big chunk of the position, the big potion. Take it off at the first easiest target, just to make sure you pay yourself, and then let the rest run for higher targets or for lower targets, depending on what kind of direction you want to trade. Just give the market the chance to fill your pocket with a big move, and don't have this regret feeling of missing out on something. Just let like 20 or 10% of your initial position size in the game for the longer run, and see how far you can ride it out. It's the best thing that you can do for your psychology. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, make sure to smash that like button. If you need help, guys, as you all know, you find a link to the Telegram chat, to the private Telegram chat in the description, and join the free Telegram channel, guys. I'm sharing my trading ideas in there on time when they appear, so maybe you can benefit from them. Yeah, wish you a lovely trading week, guys. I wish you a profitable trading week. I hope you're all healthy and wealthy. And yeah, I see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Peace. What you know, every time my body in love.